Thanks for clicking on this video. This video is short and clear. I will try to explain it in simple words. Okay, back in 2014 when Facebook acquired WhatsApp, 4 billion in cash and 12 billion remaining in Facebook share, it sounds okay from a user perspective because we don't care about purchase. We simply love the product and use it. But do we know the price of single user paid by Facebook was approx $55 per user, and we thought we use WhatsApp for free. This means we are technically being sold as for $55 per user at the WhatsApp purchase time. Well, if you think the internet is free, it is not. Everything we have, either our time or money, is being spent. Tech giants like Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. all store data. But if you thinking that they use personal information like your image without your consent somewhere else, you probably wrong. Let's take an example of a photo you clicked and uploaded to Facebook or Instagram in a winter season with snow around you. You like the spot and clicked, and you uploaded it with caption. Boom. What's next? You build a community of your interest free of cost, right? But this is not the case. Facebook, WhatsApp and other almost all big companies uses metadata. In simple terms, basically it is a data that describe other data. Metadata include file name, type, size, creation date and time, last modification date and time, etc. So why it is important about metadata? Well, companies extract metadata from a user to keep records of what a user like or not, the place they visit or they want to visit, or the level of emotion intelligence, and a lot more things. They process the data and target ads relevant to a user, like where the user likes to visit, the winter place or the summer, what they want to do, like hiking mountains, moving around beaches, etc. And this is the way they earn millions, literally millions, by selling ads. Now, what is special about WhatsApp? WhatsApp was founded by Brian Acton and Jan Koum, former employees of Yahoo. Later, Brian left in 2017 from WhatsApp over WhatsApp monetization issues. When WhatsApp was made, it had a simple purpose to serve a secure communication system. Initially, they came with a cost, that is yearly subscription plan, and there is no wrong point in it. After all, they have to keep things up and running, like the server cost, data center, employee payout and other services cost. But when it was bought by Facebook, things changes and policy were altered aggressively. Now WhatsApp introduced a bunch of new rules in the latest privacy policy, and which clearly users don't like. Also recently, Elon Musk tweeted to use the Signal app, which is made by former WhatsApp creator Brian along with their team. The Signal app offers features like WhatsApp does, plus with some add-ons. The security and policies are clear: no ads, no tracking, no kidding, as they listed these words on their website. Also, there is no involvement of news of data or privacy leaks, which Facebook suffers a lot of time. Moreover, the Signal app runs on the donation and there is much good reason to use it. Edward Snowden, he is a privacy advocate, reminds us about privacy and security concern. Also updated about that he is using Signal for chat, also used by Jack. He is the Twitter CEO, so we love Twitter also. Well, again to the main motive that, well, that's your personal preference, but yes, they offer tons of good reason. Clearly now users are appreciating it, but do this means people stop using WhatsApp? The answer depends on the majority of user. Facebook engineers were able to make chat app like WhatsApp. Or why it was bought by Facebook? It is the user base. The more the user uses the app, the more the customer base. And exactly, Facebook purchased the customer base, not the app. And this applies to Telegram, Signal and other apps too. Now it is totally depend on the user how they understand the concern and how they react to it. If you get a little bit of knowledge from this video, hit the like button and share with your friend, and also subscribe to this channel. It gives us strength to make more video like this one. This was a short video by Shyam signing off. Till then, take care.